Hey girl, let's make tiramisu. Recipe dekat caption, let's go. First, kita akan whip dulu this dairy whipping cream, okay, sampai dia kembang. And then after that, you boleh letak tepi dulu and use the same bowl. You boleh beat cream cheese and also custard sugar. Now, I use the normal type of cream cheese. You can use mascarpone if you want. Cuma mascarpone ni mahal sikit, okay? And then you letak vanilla essence, optional. Nak letak boleh, tak nak letak pun tak apa. And then kita campurkan dengan whipped cream yang kita dah whip tadi and fold je guna spatula sampai texture dia jadi smooth macam ni lah, okay? And then you boleh prepare lady fingers and also your coffee. Coffee ni Farah just pakai instant coffee powder, letak air panas and you biarkan dia sejuk dululah. And then you can soak your lady fingers in the coffee. Jangan lama sangat, maybe 3 to 4 seconds sebab takut dia lembik sangat, hancur you nak letak dalam bekas you, okay? Layerkan bahagian bawah sampai dia penuh macam tu and then you letak cream cheese you. Oh my god, this is the best part. And you just guna spatula ratakan sahaja bahagian atas. Dust a bit of cocoa powder. Kalau bekas you tinggi boleh buat a few layers, tapi bekas I ni rendah, I letak 1 layer each je and perfect, siap guys. Boleh sejukkan and boleh makan. I think this size sesuai je kalau you nak jual, okay? Dia tak terlalu banyak, tak terlalu sikit. You guys should really try this, okay? Makan sejuk-sejuk, you're gonna love it. Even my husband approves this. Jangan lupa try, okay?